Okay, so we're continuing section, right, 7.3, right? We're still solving systems, right, of linear equations, right? And we've solved them by graphing, by substitution, and another method is called by the addition method, right? Or sometimes you might hear it be called the elimination method. Elimination method. Okay, so these are synonyms, okay, addition or elimination, and I'll explain why we call it the addition method and why we call it elimination method in just a bit. So I'm looking at page 438 in your book, and I'm looking at the yellow box that says solving linear systems by addition, and these are just some nice guidelines to help you solve your system. So notice number 1 says, if necessary, rewrite both equations in the form. So make sure your equations, so I'll just paraphrase a bit, are in the standard form. So if you're going to use this addition method, it has to be in this form. And number 2 says, if necessary, multiply either equation or both by an appropriate non-zero number so that the sum of the coefficients or the sum of the y coefficients is 0. So I'll just go ahead and say multiply, equation or equations, because it might be both, by a non-zero constant. Right? Constant is just a number, right? And non-zero means not zero, right? You can multiply any equation by any number that's not zero, just because if you multiply it by 0, then everything is gone. And then the steps, basically steps 3 through 6 are pretty much the same as substitution. So I'm just going to focus on the first, well, really the first 2 steps. Well, actually, let me do it in another video. Again, this will be a quick upload since it's only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I will put up example 1 in just a bit.